Back to BRS for Friday, July the 30th. I apologize. Camera was running the video welding up here on the gauge cluster of the D250, but for some reason, I don't know why, it went off. This corner piece was busted out prior to removal. I wish I could have shown you, the fit, and welded front and back. They don't have to be pretty. Welded in there, like again, I've always mentioned, you guys would stick weld and MIG weld, but whatever, like stick welding was 7018, P5, mild steel rod, whatever, stainless. Anyhow, I'm going to put in some new LED lights while this is out. Heater box is all assembled, all new parts, battery core, and new heater core. That's a crying shame. You can see they don't come out straight. I took one back. It was cockeyed. It was sitting in there at about a half-inch angle. And the guy goes, well, just cut that weld loose and twist it. I said, no, sir. I don't pay good money for stuff that I have to repair myself. I should, went to the manager, but been doing business with O'Reilly's for many years. We went over all the compressor and everything. Let's walk out here. I did say I was going to show y'all how I weld up the dash from the bottom side. You got to be a little bit like an old surgeon. Lay on your back on the floor, reach up underneath there, prop yourself up, but don't shake this camera and turn you off too much. All right, let's get a glimpse up in here. Gonna have to shine a light in here. You can see this one here, all the way on this one, all welded in, and it cracked right on one of those ribs, but she's done there on this top side. Let's get over in here, see if we can get a shot from this angle. Yeah, and there's plenty of light. And that one didn't crack. That's as far as she traveled. But I feel real good about getting her back in. Now here, the ashtray actually covers that little portion. I'm going to sand that. I welded on the back side and the front. Very thin right here. And I got one little chunk over there at the glove box door. And I won't, because I cannot get a camera in here in my fat head. But I'm going to have to weld that back in. And then put that heater core box back in this gaping hole. Sure glad them raccoons visit here frequently last night didn't find that. Let it come in here and tore my interior all to pieces. So this is probably the last video for today, first and last. I've got to get this thing assembled and back together. Be in the players list on D250. Bears Rod Shop, please give us a like, please subscribe, please share, and if you like these Dodge videos, come back and visit, ask questions, and we'll try to answer them in a timely manner. One last look. We've got our work cut out today, and get this old dash all back in, and compressor and all the new lines, and hopefully she'll be blowing cold air here by the weekend. Y'all have a great summer. We're out of here.